Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download LastPass mobile and strengthen security, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the LastPass mobile app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open your device's App Store. For Android, go to the Google Play Store. For iOS, navigate to the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type LastPass. Look for the app with the LastPass logo. Tap on it to open the apps page. Click the Install button for Android or Get button for iOS. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the LastPass app. You will see prompts to either create a new account or log in. If you already have an account, enter your email and master password. If you're new to LastPass, follow the prompts to create an account. After logging in or setting up your new account, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. Now it's time to strengthen your security. Begin by heading to the Settings menu within the app. Look for the Security or Account Settings option. Enable biometric login, if available, like fingerprint or facial recognition. This adds an extra layer of security for accessing your vault. Next, consider enabling two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication in the security settings. Follow the instructions to link your phone number or authenticator app. Make sure to create strong and unique passwords for your accounts. You can also use the LastPass password generator for this. Lastly, regularly review your saved passwords within LastPass. Delete any duplicates or weak passwords you encounter. By following these steps, you'll have securely downloaded LastPass and strengthened your online security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.